sloppily painted the motor. I got a little bit in here on rockers and whatever, but it's the most part, it's not in underneath the lifter valley cover. It's not in the oil pan. It's not inside the motor for squat. A little bit of overspray, not too worried about. So I just slapped some Pontiac blue on it. It looks pretty crappy. It ain't perfect. It ain't great, but that's a junkyard motor. I mean, this Gen 453, I paid, I think it's out of a 05 Tahoe or something, but I paid 250 bucks for it. And then I had to buy an oil pan. That was probably another, well, I had to buy the pan and I had to buy the oil pickup tube, but I was okay on the windage tray, because you got to cut the front off anyways of the truck windage tray to get the F-body pan to fit. So I don't know, I think it was like 90 or 100 bucks for the pan, and that was like another, I think like 40 or 45 bucks for the pickup tube or something. So I mean, I've got everything else I had. Oh, excuse me. So everything else I had, these are the heads that came off of the motor that I blew up, all that stuff. I just want to kind of make it look like it's Pontiac blue to go in the Pontiac. And then I ran out of my can of Pontiac blue paint. I have another can, so eventually when I get to the valve cover portion, maybe I'll paint them Pontiac blue too or something. I don't know. We'll see how it goes, but I think I'm about ready to put this motor in the car. Except I have to, I think my front cover is tightened down. The rear cover, I've got a couple of bolts that I can't get to really with that because stuff's in the way or whatnot. I think, I don't know. Maybe some of the bolts are too long. I don't know. We'll all see. But I can't put the flex plate on there until I have it up on the engine hoist anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt the adapters and the mounts onto this block, because I took them off of that block. And yeah, I'm just going to keep cracking. Okay, so I already got the bushing over here. I got the bushing down there. And then I got the one back behind it. At the back side of the subframe. But I still have to do that whole side over there. So I figured what I would do is I would kind of show you how I have to get that out. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Nothing's really fitting, whatever. Everything shifts around when you do it. So that's why I'm trying to do like one side at a time. Keep things from shifting as much as possible. But these bushings are really, really bad. So let me show you. So this was the this is the front radiator support bushing, or what was left of all of that stuff. This one here was that second one back up there at the firewall. Pretty much nothing left of it. And then this was the back one. So bad. And you can see how much of the bolt is even rusted away underneath all of that. It's just cracking, and just you could hear all that rust just grinding away as I unbolted it. So yeah, they're really super bad, and that is why I'm replacing them. So I guess I'll get crack-a-lacking on the other side. Oh, that didn't work, did it? That sucks. Okay. Sometimes it helps to have two people, but when you gotta work alone, you figure it out. Okay. What the hell? Oh, come on, really? Oh, I think that actually turned. Okay. I think I got it. Yep, I sure did. Okay. Now this bolt has a big washer on it. It doesn't fit through the hole in the chassis, so it's got to come out through the front. Up there where it's got to come out from the front where the hole's open in there. See there? So it's got to come out of there, and then everything is all free from that. And I think now I'll move further back. Oh, see if I can't undo the second one over here. And he's just threaded into something up in there, so I don't know. Oh, that's nasty. The last one is this one back here. So we have to, I don't know. Look at all that rust. Oof. Oh well, okay, so maybe, I don't know. Okay, well, I'm gonna get this one off and I'll be back. Oh yeah, you guys gotta hear this. That's what I call crunchy. Maybe I can use old Millhouse here. Time to charge the battery. All that rust in my eyeballs. Gonna have to get a tetanus shot in my eyeballs. Dang it. I did. Now I followed the instructions and I laid these out in the order in which they go. The subframe sits in here. So, oops. So this part right here goes up top and goes in. Oh, shot it right over and out, right at my face. There we go. Okay. Come on. Okay. All right, I got that one barely started. Now, let's see if we can get that bad boy up there. Let's try to pull the whole car sideways. So, over there. Okay. Now we'll slide this one up in there. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. That works all right for me, I think. I'll have to wait until we come down a bit, I think. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that came down a bit. I don't know. I guess I'll have to try and do it one-handed. All that stuff goes, all that part of it goes on the bottom side. Or rather, I should say the top side. What? Yeah, that's all top side. This is bottom side here. Oh, yep. Went right through. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna have to carefully drop the jack down and try and get this to sit on here. Let's raise this handle up where I can. Huh, that worked. Here we go. I know. So then that part goes up here. Oh, this guy. Of course, it's all messed up, but whatever. It is what it is. That goes up here. I'm going to take that small washer and the nut and use it on the bottom side. So then that all goes up there. So then this washer is too big, so I've got to see. I got to put that in I gotta put that in through the front up there in order to get it in there, and then just load that nut in the socket, and then I'm gonna have to take both hands, but then I'm just gonna basically with my right hand guide the washer over that nut, use my left hand, get it up there, and then reach around and hold the bolt up top while I start that nut on there, and then I can go back and tighten all those, and that should be done. So that's how you do it. I got the dang new bushings in, so I'm about to pick this engine up off of this engine stand so I can install the flex plate on it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the engine bay, get this thing in there. It's gonna be cold to windy tomorrow, I guess, cold and windy or something, and then storms roll in and we could get a massive amount of snow. We'll see. That works, I guess. Let's not dump the motor. That would be bad. Wouldn't be the first time I did it with that one coming out, I guess. If you missed it, go back and watch the video, because I did. I dumped that thing right in the dirt. So I'm hoping this time I don't do that with this one, because this one matters. After I just built it up. Okay. This is not good.